Hey everyone, it's Diane. Today we're going to be planting some marigolds from seeds that I saved. They're a couple years old, so I don't know if they're going to germinate. I didn't want to go out and buy any because I just thought, oh, I had some, so let's try them. Let's plant these and see what happens. So when you save your seeds in the fall, you know, marigolds are going to look like this, right? They're going to look like this. See, some are out of their pods. Here's the pod, little pod, seed pod they're in. But I am going to take a bunch of these out of the pods, mix them up, and see if I can get some viable ones. Like here, all you got to do is pull them out. See that? Look at them. They really look good yet. So I'm hoping they're going to be okay because the color's still good on them. I find this kind of fascinating. You can save your seeds, right? And I know a lot of you do that. Look at those. A lot of seeds, isn't it? But they've been stored down in my basement, in a cool basement. Cool, dry basement, that's key. Normally I would just plant these in a flat. That's what I would do. It's just how I always grow, and it's so much easier to spread the seed out. But today I'm just going to take a little bit, grab some, and throw them in here. Whatever comes, comes. Try not to do too many, but I don't know what's viable, right? It could surprise me. And I can thin these out later. Or I like planting everything in a clump. I do that a lot. I plant things together really close. You do not have to do it like this. You can plant one seed at a time if you know if it's new seed. So this is just a peat and perlite mix, what I always use. Helps to cut down on disease. Don't fret. I'm not worried about it working because I'm going to spread these out in here. Old seed. I could do a paper towel method also to check them, but I don't want to do that today. I just want to do it this way. First thing, water them in. It's really important to water them. There's no right and wrong here, so don't critique me. This will work. And if it doesn't work, then the seed was old. Okay. I don't need a lot of marigolds, but I like to have a little bit in a vegetable garden. These will go on the heating mat. We'll get them germinated up faster. Let's label them. Of course, I really don't need to label these. I know what they are, but I like to have the dates on them. Heating mat we go. So stay tuned and we'll see how these do. The marigolds that were old, they're starting to sprout. They're not all up yet though, but I think they will eventually come up under these lights. May 2nd update on the marigolds. Looks like a lot of them germinated, didn't they? Look at those. Marigolds don't take long to grow, so I'm not concerned about it. But some of these, there's 2 or 3 in a thing, and I'll probably thin them out here shortly. Well, it's May 4th. The marigolds outdid it for me. The marigolds have done better than I thought on germination. Look at that. Older seed, still worked out great. But I'm going to be moving these into separate sales today, just because I don't want them to be crowded like that. And the littler ones are going to stay in these inserts, and I'm going to get the bigger ones out because these got their true leaves. Look at the different growth rates here. See, I didn't have them under any heat after a while, so they just kept germinating, but some germinated sooner than the other ones did. So basically all I'll do is, like this one that's got 3 in, this one's got a couple in, I'll just pull him out, and I'm getting the roots and all, no problem. Push them down in. You know, I've done it this way for years. I'll just take and gently go down and get the roots, pop them in a new place where they get to live all by themselves. It's amazing the things you can do, and you wouldn't have thought it would have worked, but it does. It does work. So now these will grow so much nicer. Pull very gently. That was a nice one there. And peat perlite soil, guys, and I think most of you probably know that, the ones that watch my videos. It's what's always worked for me. So what do you think? That looks a little better? Compost tea. And they'll be good. They'll go under the lights. Some of these I might do some more transplanting later when they get just a little bit bigger. But you can see the different sizes, and that's because of the rate of germination was a little different not being under the heat. But no big deal. They're all going to catch up. So these ones I took out of, I'm going to give them a little shot of water and let them rest also. May 9th update on the marigolds. Well, they're tiny, but you know how fast they grow. They're looking good. They're good and green. Hey everyone, it's the end of May and we're going to be planting some marigolds in the garden today. I just got some few areas I want to plant. So I'm just going to put them around the garden in some areas. I'm going to make a row of them here. That'll be pretty. They're right by my potatoes. So I'm just going to dig some holes. I'm going to put them pretty close. Really nice and rich soil. With the marigolds, what they look like. They look pretty good and green. Marigolds are pretty beneficial to your garden. They'll bring the beneficial insects. I know a lot of people use them for insect repellent. There's different ways you can use the marigolds, either the flowers or the leaves. I've never done it, but I just like planting them for color in the garden. Scattering the rest around my garden areas. I will complete this video on planting the marigolds from seed planting in the garden. Marigolds love it hot. They can handle the sun, and they're going to do real good right here. They're going to get sun most of the day, and then over there where I planted them by the strawberry bed, they're going to get a lot of sun, and over here by the potatoes they're going to get a little bit more sun. So they'll be fine. As long as they're getting around 6 hours of sun, they do good. So thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video today. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.